So, hello everyone. We are here to present to you our research proposal entitled Azolla as an Alternative Feed for Poultry Raisers. The knowledge gap that the research tries to address. As feed constitutes 60 to 70% of the total cost of production and try to lessen the feed cost may lead to a significant reduction in the total cost of production. Greens is recognized as the cheapest plus most abundant source of proteins. Azolla, for instance, aside from the fact that the farmers can practice organic farming or feeding, it is the perfect option as a substitute for high-priced commercial feeds. Some researchers study Azolla, but some farmers doesn't really know what Azolla is or how to cultivate Azolla. So we are here to inform poultry raisers about Azolla farming through conducting seminars.
The research problems. Due to the high cost of feeding materials and many farmers has a farm animals and own poultry business, and the high price of commercial feed is their major problem. The main objective of this study is to inform poultry raisers about using locally available feed ingredients such as the Azolla and to reduce the cost of feeding in poultry through seminar. Specifically, this project aims to introduce Azolla as an alternative feeding material through brochure, to educate poultry raisers about Azolla farming, and to explain the process of fagating Azolla.
So, hello everyone. I'm Jezabel Ugot, entitled Azolla as an Alternative Feed for Poultry Raisers. So, Azolla as a feed resource for fish, swine, and poultry had been tested with encouraging results. Inclusions of water plants at low levels in poultry diets have shown better performance when they supply part of the total protein or when included as a source of pigment for egg yolk and broiler skin. Azolla is a potential feed ingredient for chickens. Therefore, water plants such as Azolla have greater prospects as a protein substitute for non-ruminants as compared to the tree leaves, which contains one or more anti-nutritional factors. Azolla tested clear for organophosphates and organonuclearides. Azolla plant also tested clear of mycotoxin activity in a fresh as well as in 1-week-old sample. So, Azolla can be efficiently used as a feed for non-ruminants. Recently, indicate that Azolla at 5% inclusion level in broiler chicken ration is highly economical. In layers, egg production is increased while in broilers body weight is improved feed on Azolla supplemented diets. Azolla meal reported to have no deleterious effect on palatability in broilers. So lastly, it improved performance of broilers was reported when Azolla meal was added at a rate of 5% dry matter, which is established as a safe.
Research design. The study used the descriptive research design by distributing a questionnaire right after the discussion about Azolla as an alternative feed, farming, and propagation. Respondents of the study. The respondents of this study are open to all interested poultry raisers from the city of Batac, Ilocos Norte. Population or sampling procedure. The researcher used purposive random sampling and purposive sampling because it can save time, money, and effort. It is flexible and meets multiple needs and interests. It also enables researchers to select a sample based on the purpose of the study and knowledge of a population. Research instrument. Brochure and a 5-item questionnaire was the research instrument used in this study. The brochure were given to the poultry raiser before the seminar started. Then at the end of the seminar, a 5-item questionnaire was administered to all the poultry raisers attendees. This served also as an evaluation of the said topic.
So this is the data gathering procedure. The questionnaire was administered to some attendees to test the effectivity of the seminar. Gathering of the data was done right after the discussion. In the 5-item questionnaire, items 1 to 2 investigate the poultry raisers' evaluations of the necessity of organizing the seminar and the effects of its activities. Items 3 to 4 obtained participants' expression on the effects of the learnings about the Azolla, their poultry farm. In item 5, the questionnaire also included further suggestions in which the attendees could tell anything they wanted for the seminar. So, in conclusion, to sum it up, discussing and doing the activity in actual Azolla propagation and more is considered to be useful. Gathering data using questionnaires had a positive influence on the data with combination of distributing brochures regarding the topic right before the discussion. The way of gathering the data contributed to understand the different aspects, benefits, and challenges of implementing seminars as a teaching and assessment method. Those things help construct a framework to help implement the seminar successfully.